Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify host your no-code web app with Netlify step by step clearly. To verify hosting your no-code web app with Netlify, start by logging into your Netlify account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the New Site from Git option. Select the Git provider where your application code is hosted. Authorize Netlify to access your Git repository if prompted. After authorization, choose the repository that contains your no-code web app. Next, configure the build settings if required. Specify the branch of the repository you want to deploy. Under Publish Directory, enter the path where your built files are located. Click on Deploy Site to start the deployment process. Wait for Netlify to build and deploy your site. Once the deployment is complete, you will see a confirmation message. To verify your site, click on the URL provided by Netlify. Check that your no-code web app functions as expected. If everything appears correct, your app is successfully hosted. If you encounter any issues, take note of the error messages displayed. You may need to revisit your build settings or check your application's configuration. Once resolved, repeat the deployment process as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.